Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about what a plant needs to grow. Are you ready? Steady, go! A plant needs water to grow. It is a living thing and all living things need water to live. A plant also needs sunlight. A plant also needs air to live because air is a mixture of gases and oxygen. Do you remember? And finally, they also need nutrients from the soil. So now it is your turn. Can you repeat what does a plant need? Come on, let's try it. A plant needs water. A plant needs sunlight. A plant needs air. And a plant needs nutrients from the soil. Well done, buddy. So now I hope you like the video. See you in class. Bye-bye.